slowly.
Oh, it's straight.
Hey guys, kain naman.
What did you eat?
Ano yung kinain ko?
What did you eat?
Ah,
For lunch.
Take over.
Egg?
Eh, kumain ko kayo ng ano, ng manok. Ang kitang siya ng chicken.
It's always mamaya.
Dapat ma? Oo, kasi pang sakay. Ano kasi manok ko? Nakita ko dito. Ay, hindi ko yun. Dapat pintin po.
Baliktad.
Ininom niya ako. Pero may nakabito.
Ay, cake bar.
This.
Diba, sino ko pala eh? Dapat pintin. Mawala na.
Yummy that. Not sugar.
Wala po. Wala lang ako.
21.2 grams sugar.
I want taste.
Little.
Is it really sweet? Really, really sweet?
Not really.
Vitamin?
Dapat pintin.
I know, but they don't have the dog.
Oh, they have.
What's that for that?
Pain.
Tamis. Good ba? Cake bar na yan. Pistachio Kunafa white chocolate cake bar. Dito na natin. 500 plus. Tulo.
That's it. That's your coffee, ate. Diba? You're welcome. You drink black coffee.
You want to take it na lang?
You're saying it's super sweet, I can.
Yeah. The sweetness even goes to my mind. Yeah.
Go to your mind or your brain. No.
Obviously, didn't go to either one.
You will get smart.
Tamis. Siya hanggang sino na yung tamis ngayon?
Your face masks and stuff that we bought, that's for you. Don't be like, oh, let's have fucking bitch day, and then fucking wear that shit
I
and
know,
over
babe.
for your friends.
Ano naman? Ito. Tamis namin.
Ay, pag-ubusan. Meron to.
First it was, can I hang out with my friends outside? Okay. Then it's, can my friends come over? Okay. Can my friends eat here? Okay. Can my friends stay over? Okay. Can my friends stay over more than one day? Okay. Next is, can my friends live here because it's easier to go to school from here?
That's okay.
That's coming.
No, it's not gonna.
They live so far, it's easier if we commute together.
Nawala yung tanong kong good.
Ito rin.
Just,
May daka pa.
I'm just telling you, Trixie.
May daka pa.
No matter what you think is bad, and if something happens, you have to let us know. No matter how bad it is. I don't care what it is, but you need to let us know.
Yeah.
I trust you. Don't betray my trust. You'll find yourself in the dust. Taco Bell.